Accentize has recently released its flagship speech restoration plugin, dxRevivePro. This update introduces three new algorithms, Studio 3, Natural 2, as well as EQ Restore. Phil, what is your take on this news?
Well, I'm not an audio person, and I'll be quite honest. Audio is one of those things that's probably the most difficult and sort of the unsung hero in video. What's the saying? Uh, uh, or audio without video is just radio, but video without
Mhm.
audio is security cam footage. So audio is very important. So it's interesting what AI has started to be able to bring to the audio field. Audio obviously from an AI perspective is much easier than video. There's far less variables, but this tool really does a good job at sort of isolating the voice, bringing it if you have extra reverb in the room or if you've got dropouts. It really is doing a great job in making audio that much better. Obviously on a full feature film, probably you're going to have a good audio guy. It may be there to save you. But for the documentary filmmakers, people doing interviews where you just don't have the ability to set up in a sound isolated room or have sound dampening with you, it's really a great tool to give you perfect or nearly perfect audio. And what's nice about it is you can sort of tune it to either be, you know, really sort of machine processed to just adding a little bit and anything in between. So you really can pick how that tech is going to be applied.